Hello children. Today in this video we shall discuss fourth type of short composition, that is formal and informal invitations and their replies. Invitations can be defined as written request for a person's presence at an event or a request to do something. They are usually distributed on the occasions of weddings, birthdays and anniversary parties, retirement or graduation celebrations, inauguration ceremonies, seminars and workshops, or school functions like Sports Day, Foundations Day, Annual Day, etc. Types of invitations. There are two types of invitations. A. Formal invitations. They are sent to relatives, friends, acquaintances, clients, and members of the public. B. Informal invitations. They are sent to relatives and friends and are more personal, cordial, and intimate. Tips to write a formal invitation. A formal invitation can be written in a card or a letter format. It is always enclosed in a box. Simple present tense is used in these invitations. A formal invitation is a card format, is written in the third person. It is written in a layered format and no abbreviations are used. Each detail in a formal invitation is to be written in separate lines. Formal invitations include details like name, designation of a sender, reason for the invitation, time, date, and venue of the event, name of the chief guest, special individual who will inaugurate the function or give away the prizes, RSVP means name, address, telephone number of the sender at which the invitee may contact for any further information, formal expressions such as on the auspicious occasion of, request the pleasure of the company of, has kindly consented to be, etc. In formal invitations, RSVP is mandatory. It means please reply and is written at the bottom left side of the invitation. A formal invitation necessitates a formal reply, that is acknowledging and accepting the invitation or acknowledging the invitation and expressing the inability to be present at the event. A formal reply is also written in the third person. Tips to write an informal invitation. An informal invitation is written in a letter format. It is always enclosed in a box. It is written in the first or the second person. Different tenses can be used in informal invitations. The tone of informal invitations is warm and personal, whereby feelings and sentiments are expressed by the sender to the receiver. Informal invitations include details like sender's address, date, salutation, dear and name, complimentary clause, yours sincerely. The body of an informal letter of invitation is short and states the purpose of the invitation, the special occasion, and its related details such as day, date, time, and venue of the special event. The writer's address is given in the invitation, but the receiver's address is not mentioned. There is no subject line in an informal invitation. No reply is asked for, but the last sentence suggests that a reply is expected. Now I am giving some examples. This is an example of formal invitations. Your school, Akash Public School Indore, will be celebrating its Golden Jubilee on Sunday, 17 April 2000 at 5 p.m. As the principal, draft a formal invitation to be sent to all parents, inviting them for the event in not more than 50 words. Put the invitation in a box and see the answer how in box given. On top of that, the principal, staff and students of Akash Public School Indore cordially invite you to their Golden Jubilee celebrations on Sunday 7th April 2000 ... in the school auditorium, time 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. The Honorable Chief Guest of India has kindly consented to be the chief guest. And left side corner, RSVP, the principal, and date given 25. Next, right hand side, admits 2 only. And last, please be seated by 4:30 p.m. All mobile phones must be switched off. Replies to the formal invitations. One example. On behalf of renowned author Vikram Seth, draft an acceptance letter in response to the invitation of the principal, Shining State Public School, New Delhi. He has been asked to judge the inter-school story writing competition that the school is organizing in New Delhi for young aspirants. Draft the acceptance letter in not more than 50 words. Put in a box. Answer 7 March 2000 ... given. Mr. Vikram Seth wishes to inaugurate Shining Stars Public School on this auspicious occasion. He is honored to accept the invitation to preside over as the chief guest for the inter-school story writing competition on Monday 22 April 2000 ... He will arrive at 1 p.m. as you have so kindly requested. One example of informal invitations. One question. Mr. and Mrs. YP Afsar wish to invite Arman / Anita Malik to their residence on Sunday 17 April 2020 at 8 p.m. to celebrate their son Akshay's admission to the University of Boston, USA. This is also a farewell party as he will be leaving within a week. Draft an informal invitation in not more than 50 words. Put the invitation in a box. Now see the answer. 34/56, road number 80, West Punjabi Bagh, New Delhi, and date given 8 April 2020 suppose. Dear Arman / Anita, this is our pleasure to inform you that our son Akshay has been selected to study at the University of Boston and will be leaving within a week to commence his college education there. We wish to invite you to join us at our residence at the above address on Sunday 17th April at 8 p.m. to facilitate Akshay as well as to bid him a fond farewell. As you are one of his childhood friends, we sincerely hope that you will join us for this occasion. Yours sincerely, YP Afsar. So these were examples of formal and informal invitations with their replies. So now you will see the video properly and you will do the given assignment well. Thank you.